Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making one of my all-time favorites, banana pudding. But this is not just any banana pudding. This is going to be caramelized banana pudding. How so, you say? Well, we're going to caramelize the bananas before they go on top of that pudding to make it even more delightful and scrumptious. We're also making it because let's make it now. Just do it yourself. Learn how to make this pudding. Make the pudding? Oh, yes, we are. We're going to make it from scratch. Forget the box pudding. Out of here. So much better when you make it on your own. Have I made this before? Ha! No. But we're going to do it together. So let's make it happen. We're going to make the pudding on the stove, and then we're going to make the caramelized bananas on the stove, and then off the stove. We layer it, stick it in the fridge for a few hours, and then we eat it. Off the heat, 2 cups granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons cornstarch, ½ teaspoon fine sea salt or other salt. Whisk together. 4 cups, half and half. 6 egg yolks. Save those egg whites. Whisk together. Medium heat. Whisk continuously for 10 to 12 minutes until it is pudding-like. It is thickened up quite a bit. Take it off the heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Stir together. Pour into a separate bowl to cool while we make the bananas. In a large saucepan or skillet over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons unsalted butter and melt it down. Add 8 bananas sliced into ½ pieces. 2 tablespoons light brown sugar going in. ½ teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Stir frequently for about 2 minutes. Remove from the heat. Get those vanilla cookies ready, or Italian milk and honey cookies work just as well. A whole box should make this work. We're going to put this in a 9 by 13 pan, but you can use a trifle bowl as well. Top with half of the caramelized bananas. Top with half of the pudding. Top with more cookies. Top with more bananas. Top with the rest of the pudding. Chill in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 hours or even overnight. You could make this the day before. It is out of the fridge, nice and cold and chilled. It is not wobbly at all. It's time to decorate. Look at the banana pudding. You might have had your doubts, just like I did when I was making the pudding, whether or not it was really going to get to that pudding consistency. Well, it did. It did. Look at this. It looks delicious. You can see the layers in there. Smells delicious. Let's take a bite. Wow, wow, wow. This is a whole other level of banana pudding. Be gone the box variety you would make with the vanilla pudding. You don't need that anymore. Make your own pudding. Caramelize those bananas. This is so good. Trust you me? I'm not making this up at all. I promise you. This is it. If I can make caramelized banana pudding for the very first time with you. Never made pudding before in my entire life. You can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram and let me know what recipes you'd like me to try.